everybody, I'm Lisa Rowberry, your independent Scentsy consultant. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about laundry products. That's right, I have recently had quite a few people actually send me messages asking a lot of questions about our laundry line, and then I had a friend send me a message and say, hey, just an idea, maybe you should do a video dedicated to the laundry line because it's really not talked about that much. And I just thought, I've done one, and I thought, let me go find it. And so I go through. You guys, it has been 2 years since I did the video on our laundry products, which shocks me because it doesn't even feel like I've been uploading to YouTube for 2 years. So I was like, when I saw that, I was just blown away and thought, well, this is a perfect opportunity to do an updated laundry video because things have changed a little bit since then in terms of the products that I use and the fragrances that I prefer in the laundry line. So I figured this is a perfect opportunity to just kind of update things. So if you are newer to Scentsy, Scentsy is so much more than just wax and warmers. We also have a laundry line, which is what we're going to talk about today. So I'm going to talk about each individual product, which is exciting because in my first video of the laundry line products, I wasn't using the Scent Soft, which is our laundry softener. And I do use it now, so we will kind of get to that. So first, we'll go ahead and start with the very first product for the laundry line that is probably the most important, which is the laundry liquid. This is going to be what your soap is. So this is going to be the product that is going to be cleaning your laundry. There are some other products in the laundry line, but this is the only one that's actually going to be cleaning. So laundry liquid is a definite must. So what you may see is that this looks smaller than your average Tide Downy type bottle that you would get from a bigger box store. Here's the thing with the laundry line that Scentsy offers, it is super concentrated. So when you are pulling out that drawer in your washer, don't fill up the max fill line in your soap container dispenser because this is super concentrated. So what I do want to go over is how many pumps you should use for the amount, the size load that you have. So, and there's directions on here. So if you do decide to give any of these products a try, don't feel like you have to memorize any of this. There are directions on the back of each bottle. So there's what Scentsy recommends is for a small load, 2 pumps. 2. That's it. That is how concentrated this is, you guys. And it cleans phenomenally. I will get to that in a second. For a medium load, it will be 3 pumps, and for a large load, it's 4 pumps. So these bottles come with a pump. You just pump it twice for a small load, 3 times for medium, 4 for a large. That's it. It took me a long time to wrap my brain around that because I was always like, no, the more soap, the more clean my laundry is going to be. I need to max fill it. Don't do that. You're going to go through it way too quick and it's just not necessary. So wrap your brain around it. This stuff, it's got amazing cleaning power. So just remember, it's super concentrated. So even though this is 20 ounces, it's concentrated. So I can't stress that enough. So if you are going to purchase these items individually, I will tell you what the price of each item is, but then I'm also gonna go over the Laundry Love bundle and what you get in that and the price of that. So if you buy the laundry liquid just by itself, it's $16 for 20 ounces. I know that sounds like a lot, you guys, but it's super concentrated. So you should get about 50 medium loads out of 1 bottle. That's amazing. Last time I was at Target, because I knew I was going to be doing this video, I just kind of took a look. Average is about for a Tide container or a Downy container. You're getting about 30 loads. This you're getting 50. So just kind of food for thought there. Food for thought. So 20 ounces, 16 bucks, 50 medium loads. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about washer whiffs. Washer whiffs is the gateway drug to Scentsy, you guys. You guys thought it was wax and warmers. It's actually not. Washer whiffs are fantastic. This is not cleaning your laundry. This is making it smell amazing. So this is going to be very similar to, I think it's Downy that has Unstoppables. It's a scent booster. So and take these guys out here. So let me show you. So I have this in lavender cotton. Every item I'm going to show you is lavender cotton. That is my personal favorite. I love it. It's so good, and it's strong. So I don't know if you can see or not, but they're these little crystals. And in your Washer Whiffs tub, you are getting a little measuring scoop. So essentially that's what, it's just these little crystals. So this is what's going to be fragrancing your laundry. So this is a 48-ounce tub. It also comes in a smaller container. Is it 16 ounces? 16 ounces. So either one, if you decide to do the Laundry Love bundle, it comes with the 48-ounce tub. So, but if you are going to buy it on your own, the tub is $30 or the 16-ounce container is $12. So just so you know. But with the Washer Whiffs, essentially, so it's all going to depend on how much you use. Are there directions on here? Use scoop to measure, Washer Whiffs. You can use multiple scoops. It's just, honestly, it's just as desired. I personally use one heaping scoop for all of my loads. I do a medium to large load every load. I'll do a heaping scoop. So it tends to work really well for me. I get about 50 loads out of this. So I'd say it's pretty good, you guys, and it smells so good, and it's nice and strong, but it's not like, whoo, like too much. Well, it might be too much for some people, but I love this. It's super great. So that is the Washer Whiffs, the fragrance booster. So we talked about price, talked about ounces. Okay, we're good. Next, let's talk about the Scent Soft. So this is where this video is going to be different from the one 2 years ago, because I was not using softener at that time. I've only honestly just started using the Scentsy laundry softener. Has it been since January or February? So, I mean, fairly recently, within the last year, because I don't like the way most softeners leave a film on your clothes. It almost like leaves a weird texture to it. And I don't like that. I don't know if it's just too soft or what it is. I just don't like it. So this, okay, so it was both my mom and my sister-in-law that were like, you've gotta give this a try. Like, it's really, really good. And I'm just like, yeah, well, I don't know. I gave it a try. I'm hooked. I love, love, love it. So now I use it in all of my laundry and it works really well, and it does not leave any kind of film. I'm telling you, you guys, I am picky. I am picky, picky, picky. I don't want to feel the softener in my clothes. I don't want to feel it. So this does not do that in any kind of way. However, what I will say with that is that Scentsy tells you to use quite a bit. So the directions for the Scent Soft, and this is a 32-ounce bottle, you guys, also with a pump. Scentsy says, so 32 ounces, you would get 25 medium loads out of. No. So Scentsy is saying to use 5 pumps of this for a small load, 6 pumps for a medium, and 7 pumps for a large load. I am not doing that. I'm using, in a large load, I'm doing 3 to 4 pumps max. That's it. So honestly, Scentsy says you're getting 25 medium loads. I honestly get between like 48 and 50 loads out of my 32-ounce container. That's what I'm getting. So I guess I'm using it super sparingly, but really honestly, all of these products tend to run out about the same time for me, which is why I love this line so much, because literally everything runs out at the same time. So I need to buy everything at the same time. So it's so nice, so easy to remember. So that is the Scent Soft. This is available for $16 for a 32-ounce container bottle here, also with a pump. So let me know if you are using this, how much you use, if you use the 7 pumps. I just feel like that's a little bit excessive. And if you do use the 7 pumps, does your laundry feel weird? Although I'm sure if you like using 7 pumps, you're probably not gonna say your laundry feels weird. Okay, last but most certainly not least, dryer discs, you guys. Ooh, okay, I love these dryer discs. So in a box, you are getting 2 dryer discs. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is your box here, and you're getting 2 dryer discs. This does not mean you have 2 uses. These things are amazing. So this is going to take place of your dryer sheets. but they look like a bar. And whew, they smell amazing. And you will just use these over and over and over and over again until you can't smell it anymore. So these are $7 for a box of 2. You're getting 2 dryer discs. Scentsy says you're getting, didn't they say like 15 or something? Something ridiculous. Ridiculous, like ridiculously low. I think they said 15, if I remember correctly. It doesn't actually say on the box. I believe it says you should get like 15 loads out of this. I get 25 to 30 loads per disc. So when I was using just the 1 disc at a time, I was getting like 25-ish loads per disc, but you know, your girl over here is extra. So I've been using, as of like lately, I've been using both of my dryer discs at the same time. They're still lasting like the full amount of time, like probably around 50 loads, like I said before, like 48 to 50 loads. That's essentially what I'm getting out of all of these products is 48 to 50 loads, 2 dryer discs. So when you're using them over and over and over again, these discs will tend to look super tattered and worn, and it's okay. If they still smell, keep using them. They're gonna look tattered the more you use them, and it's okay. Here's a little tip for you. When you're not using your dryer discs, store them in your washer whiffs container. That is going to prolong the life of your dryer discs. So that's the way I always store them. Some people just keep their dryer discs in the dryer drum, and that's totally fine too. I just feel like I might get a little bit of extra scent boost out of this by storing them in my washer whiffs container. So that's the way I do it personally. So like I said, dryer discs, 1 box of 2 is $7, 25 to 30 loads. So that's what you're getting per disc, So let's talk about Laundry Love. So Laundry Love is the bundle. So if you go to my website, go to the specials tab, go to bundle and save, you will see all the different bundles that are available. There's a Laundry Love bundle. You're welcome. So it comes with the laundry liquid, your soap. It comes with 1 48-ounce tub of washer whiffs. And it comes with 2 packs, not 2 discs, 2 packs, so 4 discs total, of dryer discs. Amazing, amazing, right? So you are getting those items for $50. You do the math. You're saving $10 by doing it that way. Now, the only thing with the Laundry Love bundle is it does not come with the Scent Soft. So for you, if you don't use softener, then that's good for you because then you don't have to buy any additional laundry products. But if you want to purchase the Scent Soft, you just have to purchase it on your own outside of the bundle, which is $16. So all in all, so you're spending for the entire line, soap, scent booster, softener, dryer, all of that, $66. That's really not bad for 50 loads, you guys. That from start to finish, I don't think it's bad for having a product that works amazing. As you guys know, I have dogs. Where I live, there is like this red clay dirt. Thank goodness we got rid of our bark and we laid out rocks in the backyard. In the wintertime, they would bring in that red clay dirt. And so this stuff takes that red clay dirt out right now, let me tell you. My deucer, he's having some issues with his snout, and it's bleeding and oozing, and so his blankets have blood on them. This is getting all of that out. Like, I have not had any issues. This stuff has amazing, amazing cleaning power. So love, love, love it. So I just wanted to share with you a little bit more about the laundry products since, oh my gosh, it's been a couple of years. The lavender cotton is my personal favorite when it comes to clothes. For my bedding, I prefer Jammy Time, but there's so many different scents to choose from. So definitely, I would say give it a try. If you only want to try one product to start out with in the laundry line and you're worried about sensitive skin or anything like that, try the washer whiffs. Get the smaller container, try it, give it a try. You are gonna love it. It's just the scent boost, so you don't have to worry about like, is it gonna clean enough? This and that, the other thing. Just try the washer whiffs, amazing. And I guarantee once you try the washer whiffs, you're gonna be hooked and you'll be getting the whole line. So, cause that's how I started. All right, you guys, if you already use the laundry line, let me know what your favorite scent is. I would love to know. We are currently giving a try Amazon Rain just to mix things up a little bit, so we'll see how that goes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.